pasok. Dala-dala niyo ba yung cellphone?
Ito, opo.
Okay. Paiwan muna sa villa, sa hallway ng villa.
Sige po.
Okay. Nahirapan ba kayo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So, hindi naman masyado. Napansin ba ng mga housemates
Hindi po.
nyo?
Wala
Sigurado kayo. Ang galing. Napakahusay. Galing-galing. Bale, lalabas muna tayo.
Pero ano nga kaya talaga ang pakay ng babaeng to sa kanila?
Para saan po to?
Task ni Kuya para sa inyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Galing-galing nyo, so meron kayong magandang reward.
Opo.
Okay? Kaya na siya. Kaya, dito muna tayo. Tara. Hindi lang, ha?
Are you sure we did the right thing?
Yeah.
Hindi, baka another task yun, baka hindi si Kuya nagbigay ng task.
Hindi, okay lang yun. So, nagtataka na sila sa tayo.
Saan sila Fruitsy and Jenny? Kanina pa?
Baka may balak ang dalawa.
Hanggang sa nakahalata na sina Anne at Devon.
Where's the money?
Nalagay ko sa lagyan kami Fruitsy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Wait. Where's Jenny and Fritzy?
Jenny and Fruitsy.
Where's the money?
Both?
I told you, man, they're gonna steal the money. Why don't you guys watch it?
That's why she was looking for the tweezers.
What is there?
I told you,
It's gone. It's gone. Cool. Money's gone.
So should we ask Ryan about tell everyone to stop?
There's nothing I can do now but eat ice cream.
Or should we ask Ryan about it? We should ask Ryan. You can just hold on to it.
Tuluyan ang dinakip sina Jenny at Fritzy ng babaeng nagngangalang Madam X matapos nilang iabot ang pera sa kanya.
Why would they get the money?
Papagalitan tayo, Kuya.
Ano to?
Di alam ni Jenny at Fritzy na nasa isang bahagi lang sila ng apartment.
I told you it's backfired. We are not the ones stealing money. We gave them money and they kidnapped us. What am I going to tell them?
May nagsabi, di ba sinunod lang natin?
Sino yan? Sino tumawag sa'yo?
Yung babae.
Babae?
Yung kanina.
Oh my God, you trusted her? I thought it was Kuya. Didn't you see her shade? I'm a criminal shade. I saw many kidnappers wearing those kind of shades.
Make this nice.
Shut up! Shut up!
Oto pala kayo. Big Six ba yan?
You guys are like uto-uto, like you guys are stupid. Big
Stupid.
Six, is that Big Six?
Oh my God. I think we're in the airport. They're trying to send us to Brazil with soccer team.
Anong ginagawa? Bakit may tali?
Hindi ko alam.
My mom said I'm not stupid! Why you call me stupid? How you call my mom?
Saan si Kuya?
Nasa puso mo.
Where's Big Brother? If Big Brother's here, he'd be like, confession room na.
Kayo lahat, confession room. Wait, stop.
Hello?
Hello po.
Kamusta naman kayo?
Hindi po mabuti.
Hindi po mabuti.
Opo.
Ano ba kayo? Ang galing-galing nyo nga. Ay, nagawa niyo yung task.
Bakit po may tali?
Ang problema kasi, yung task na yun, hindi talaga si Big Brother yung nagsabi.
Sabi ko eh.
Ako nagsabi lang nun, di ba? Fritzy, sayang naman yung yung slot mo sa Big Six, no? Makasama ka pa rin kaya doon? Akala ko matalino ka. Yung tipong magtatanong-tanong ka pa. Magda-doubt ka, hindi. Ang galing mo.